Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you. We're going to talk about a simple storybook for kids that has made over $176,000 in passive income. Yes, you heard that right. And the best part is, I'll show you how you can launch a similar business from start to finish, using the power of AI technology. So, if you're interested in making passive income, stick around until the end because I promise you'll find valuable information that you won't find anywhere else. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Now, let's get started. Part 1. Finding the winning idea. Host. So, how did this all start? Well, it began with me looking for potential passive income ideas for my business on Amazon. That's when I stumbled upon a product, a storybook for kids. At first, I didn't think much of it, but after some research, I was astonished by the incredible earnings these sellers were making. Take a look at these numbers. One book with 2,550 ratings made over $16,000, another with 1940 ratings earned over $23,000, and the highest earner made an astonishing $81,000. And here's the kicker. You can publish these books 100% free using Amazon KDP. With that knowledge, I thought, why not create a similar book using AI technology, publish it on Amazon, and start generating passive income while I sleep? And that's when I decided to make this video to help you do the same. Part 2. Generating the book idea. Host. The first step in creating a good storybook is coming up with a captivating idea. So, I turned to the chatbot for help. After a couple of attempts, it generated the perfect title, The Adventures of Tommy and Timmy, The Search for the Lost Treasure. Exciting, right? The story is geared towards kids between 5 to 8 years old and follows the thrilling journey of two young friends in search of a hidden treasure in the jungle. Part 3. Writing the story content with AI. Host. Now that we had a fantastic story idea, the next step was to create the actual content. And this is where AI technology comes into play. I used ChatGPT to generate the story's outline, including chapter details. In just a few minutes, I had a complete story ready to be turned into a book without writing anything myself. It's incredible how fast and efficient this process is. Part 4. Illustrating the story with AI art. Host. But of course, we can't have a storybook without illustrations. Hiring artists could cost thousands of dollars, but why spend that much when we can use AI art generators for free? I chose Midjourney as it provided the best experience. With a few simple commands, we had all the beautiful illustrations we needed to bring our story to life. Part 5. Creating a professional storybook. Host. To combine the text and images, we used Canva, a beginner-friendly design tool that's free to use. It allowed us to effortlessly create a professional-looking storybook. We inserted the AI-generated images, added the story text, and designed the layout to our liking. In no time, we had our complete storybook ready to be saved as a PDF and printed. Part 6. Publishing your book on Amazon. Host. Now, the final step to start making passive income is to publish your book on Amazon using the guide I've provided in the video description. Unfortunately, it's too much to cover here, but don't worry. I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide below and a free Facebook group where I'll personally answer all your questions. Conclusion. Host. And there you have it. You've successfully created your very own storybook using the power of AI technology. And now you're ready to start generating passive income while captivating young readers with your exciting story. I hope you found this video valuable and that it inspires you to explore the world of passive income through children's storybooks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy publishing!